Bye-bye. Hello, fellas. You may have noticed that this isn't VR chat. It's because I am trying out something new. Mainly because I got a bunch of mods to play the Sorcery from the mods menu. And I really want to try some of them out. You may have noticed I am significantly shorter than all the people. I need to edit the audio because you guys aren't going to be able to hear a thing I'm saying. Okay. First of all, you... Good enough. Oh, you actually got me with that. Bro was not trying at all. Oh, nice! Ow. Ow. That's one of the mods that I got. Improved spells. The throw has so much power. Going back to my British roots with this one. You just stabbed me. Come on. Bye bye. Ow. Have that. Come here. What you get? You try and fireball me, I swear to God. Right. Oh my God, this is amazing. I should keep clipping of this. This is gonna take forever to download across my Wi-Fi if it's like 3-minute clips. Excuse me. No. Whee! Oh, this is just amazing. The reason I am so much shorter than these guys right now is because I want to keep my headset on charge, and to do that, I have to be in a location where I can reach an outlet, or whatever you want to call it, so that I can remain on charge. Where was that going, mate? So basically I'm lying down, and I've got my avatar, not my avatar, I've got my character size set to like 1:15, so that I can space that down. Right. This makes him really bad at hitting me. Right, you. Killer. Nice one. I think I just made him headbutt his own knee. That's crazy. Right, you and you. Oh God, the audio effects. That's just amazing. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Shank. 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 I'm British, you can't beat me at shanking. Oh. Right, yeah, it is a bit glitchy still, isn't it? Ah, you know what that means. Fish. Oi. 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 No, 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 no. Can't let that slide. Hey, look at this wall. Anyways, let's very quickly get a katana. One of my favorite models that I've related to this so far. Ah, yes. And it almost already drags on the floor. Oh. Look what I got. Ow. Come here. Yeah, that's what you get. You should not just try and stab me. I can't believe you've done this. Where do they keep going? Oh. Alright, now the really fun stuff. There's it. Oh, I passed it. There it is. I'm gonna cut this into a clip real quick and then I'll show this off. Why is it never Nick? Oh god. Oh! Quick, hide the evidence. Ooh! Look at this! Oh my god, I caught it! That's crazy! Oh yeah, that works. Oh look, right in the spleen, or whatever that is. Probably the kidney, actually. Nice one, you really took your time on that, didn't you, mate? Can you stop? God damn. Right, you know what that means. What are you doing? Yeah, you show them. You really show that doorway. Show that doorway who's boss. What are you... Oh, that's not what I meant to do. Oh well. Right in your arm. What was that strawberry stuff? God damn. Oh, I got him, but did you just kick him in the balls? That's crazy. Oh, this one doesn't cut well enough. Okay, hold that. Look at the line. No, you really just got your friend with that, didn't you? Shank. Right, here's how this is gonna work. You're gonna go up. And then gravity's gonna bring you down. Bye bye. Oh. Got him. Yes! Got him with the sword throw. I forgot to English for that. What is with the lightsaber buzz? Oh, there it is. Hey, get out the way. You know what? Stay there. Good boy. Right, I actually can't deal with the lightsaber buzz anymore. It's really irritating me. What? There we go. Thank you. Wait, you... Ooh, you've got a magic imbued one. Give me that. Let go. Thank you. You come in. Excuse me. Did you headbutt a kneecap. I'm going to get slow-mo for all of this. You don't get away. Oh, apparently you do. Right, you. Whee! You missed. You missed. That's what you get for missing. And you! Oh, okay, you didn't. Oh, excuse me. I think I'm fine staying here, actually. What? Dude. Through the shield and everything. Ooh, get off. You alright there? Definitely not anymore. Whoa. Nice. Well, what? Excuse me? Where'd my right hand go? Oh, it lagged my sword out of existence. Amazing. Right, I need to borrow yours. Can you come here for a minute, mate? Thank you. Right, where do you leave it? There it is. Look at this. Give it a bit of magic. What? Did I just lose it again straight away? You got the same one that I like using? You do. You know what that means. Where'd it go? Right, you know what? Come here. Oh, there it is. Ah, that was in between my eyes. That was brilliant. That was actually a good shot. I can't deny that was a brilliant shot. Ooh, we do have the sword that I like. Ow. She's on your side, mate. Where did you... That's what you get. Gibbs. Oh, what's wrong? Ow! What's so... This poor guy! Where'd the retro woman go? Oh, there you are. Oh yeah, you didn't like that, did you? Can you drop off now, please? Thank you. Yes! There we go. Oh my god, that was through the neck and everything. That was brilliant. Trying to electrocute me. Ah, you've changed confusion on my weapon now. Now you've gone and done it. Come here. Right. I think of your electric magic. There you go. Head bubble. There you go, make it bubble. Oi. You just got smited. Oh, you just got through the leg. That's pretty nasty. That's not what I meant to do. It's so effective. You didn't see that coming, did you? Dude, that's too effective. Oh yeah, right in the face. Ooh, what do I play around with Can you not? Can you not? Oh yes, stab him with the bludgeoning instrument. That makes sense. Can you not moan in my ear, please? Thank you. I'm gonna shank you. You had all of the warning. You didn't do anything. Ooh, you're trying to cut me. You're trying to cut me. You're trying to cut me. Come here. Come here. Bring your hand here. Thank you. Oh, I actually don't have the arm length for this. Oh no, there we go. Yeah, that'll do it. You missed. You know what that means? You've become my weapon. Get slapped. Oh, you're gonna get up. I don't think so. There you go, right in the spikes. So effective. How? Oh, that was actually pretty good. Unfortunately for you, I don't care. Oh, what? Oh, gives dagger, thank you. Shank. Alright, let's just end it off with a little head bash, eh? Hi fellas, you two look pretty similar. Bye-bye. Yeah, okay, you know what? You just earned yourself a little fly. Bye-bye. Thank you. Ow. Okay, yeah, I'm bored of this now. As funny as it is watching them shake every time they get stabbed. I missed. Yeah, no. So, the shield is definitely the best weapon in the game, without a doubt. Let me just watch. Where you going, buddy? Bonk! Get up, get up!
You shouldn't be here.
Oh yeah, I can dual wield. Great one. You just electrified the weapon so I'm not even holding. You've just given me, like, godlike oh, whoops. Didn't mean to hold it. Oh, I keep clicking the wrong button, that's why. Get punched with the shield. Oh no, she's getting up. Not for long. I love this so much. Bonk. No, my shield. Gibbs. Nice one taking aim. Got ya. Okay, I don't know how I did it. I somehow made this into like a magic, like, helicopter blade. This was spinning really fast, and I don't know how I got it to start doing it. Oh, it was making such a cool noise as well. Come on! There it is! I don't know how this works, but I love it. What happens if I let go? Really? That's anticlimactic. Fellas, I have made an amazing discovery. So I figured out, A, you just have to flick it through there to get it to do this. Second of all, you can do it with any weapon. Ooh, got her. Oh, that's getting me a bit. Oh! Wait, I can use a tension fatality with this. Wait. You hold this. I need a katana. Oh, bro, what? Get down. You go up. And you. And you. Right. Katana. Ooh, we want 16 centimeter one. Get out of the way! I'm trying to put a sword through a door. Oh my god, that's effective! Oh my god, this works so well! Oh, I love this. I love this so much. Bye-bye. The real question is, do I try out a different infusion on this? Let's do fire. Try and change it straight back to lightning. Oh. Right. I think you've got range. Nah, I've got range. Decapitation and everything, goddamn. Come on, let's sword fight. Come on. Just picks them up and throws them. Or it just completely dikes them into pieces. Oi! You? Oh! Decapitation! There you go. I think I just killed him with full damage. Oh, what would? Oh, okay, it's fine. It still keeps the momentum. That's brilliant. Bye-bye. I can pull you upwards if I hold a hand like this. Where did it go? God damn. I know it's glitchy as hell, but like, damn. was not expecting it to just launch into the stratosphere. Oh yeah, you're so cooked. Why would you run towards someone with a spinning blade? Oh, you ruined it. Right, you know what that means. Come here. Come here. There you go. Oi! Ah, it's an angle. There we go. Bye bye. I love it. Right, well. Ooh, almost in there. Never mind. Well, you know what that means. Bye bye, fellas.